Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage SIM pin on TECLAST T60. If you want to enable, disable or change SIM pin on TECLAST T60, go to Settings first, then Security and Privacy, then More Security and Privacy, SIM lock, and now you can enable it by enabling lock SIM. Then you need to enter the SIM pin that was previously set. So mine was previously this one. To change the SIM pin, click on Change SIM pin. First enter the old one, then the new one, and the new one again. Now the SIM pin is changed successfully, and now you can also disable it if you want. To disable it, disable the switch and then enter your current SIM pin, and now it's disabled. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.